Robert the Bruce died just 1 month before his 55th birthday. The independence of Scotland had been hard fought, and he had only been able to enjoy one solitary year of peace. Robert's excommunication from the Catholic Church had been lifted by the Pope, but it was something that still weighed heavy on him. And the last months of his life were filled with one last journey to the shrine of St. Ninian. St. Ninian was the man who was said to have first brought Christianity to Robert's beloved Scotland. He also saw his son David, who was only 4 years old at the time, and his son's 7-year-old bride, Joan of England. Joan was a younger sister of the King of England, and the marriage of these two small children had been part of the